Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I am glad you're here. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button because I would love for you to join my family. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you another beautiful, simple salad recipe. We all know the summer is right around the corner and we're trying to get into that sexy summer body, you know. So if you try this, let me know how you like it. Let's get started. So for this recipe, you're gonna need just 6 ingredients: beets, carrots, red cabbage. I love cabbage in general, so it's even better when you have a different color of cabbage. Cucumber. I have some grape tomatoes here. You can go ahead and just use regular tomatoes. This was a little bit easier for me, so I don't have to like cut it too much into small pieces. So if you have big tomatoes, that's fine, just use that. And of course, some lettuce. I have here romaine lettuce. I love these, they're just so tasty. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all my vegetables and cut them into pieces. Let's put this together. Tomatoes, cucumber, red cabbage, carrots, beets, and of course your lettuce. Just make sure you have the best sauce you like to eat your lettuce. If you want to see how I make my sauce, click the link above. I'm going to be linking that in the description box, and you can always go in and learn how I did that.